Hello folks, Glitch Failure here. Today I'm tackling the chocolate feast problem on HackerRank. This is an easy difficulty problem. As usual, I'll go over the problem, give you some time to do it on your own, and then go over my solution. Little Bobby loves chocolate. Oh, who doesn't? He frequently goes to his favorite store, Penny Auntie, to buy them. They are having a promotion. If Bobby saves enough wrappers, he can turn them in for a free chocolate. For example, if N is 15, C is 3, M is 2, he has $15 to spend. A bar costs 3, and he can turn in 2 wrappers to receive another bar. Initially, he buys 5 bars and has 5 wrappers. After eating those, he can turn in 4 of them, leaving him with 1 wrapper, and he can get 2 more bars. After eating those 2, he has now 3 wrappers, turns 2 of those in, leaving him with 1 wrapper, and he can get 1 more bar. And once he eats that one, he has 2 more wrappers left, turns those in for 1 last bar. After eating that, he has 1 last wrapper, and that's the end of his chocolate feast. Overall, he has eaten 9 bars, and so that's how that works. All right, I'll give you some time to do it on your own, and then go over my solution. He will have an initial buy, because he's using money initially, but then he'll use the wrappers after that. So the first time he's getting the bars to start off, it'll be like an initial buy using his money. Okay, so we're going to say bars here because I'm going to say let, since I'll be probably modifying this. We're going to do a division between N, which is the money he has, divided by C, the cost. And we want to have the total here, but we want it to be basically a whole number. So I'm going to do math.floor. And let me just see if that is actually returning what I think it does. So let's run some code. Okay, so for this test case, 7 divided by 3 should give me 2, because there's a little remainder of 1, but I want a whole number. So that looks like it's working. Okay. Once he eats those, he will have wrappers left over. So the wrappers will be the same as the number of bars at that point. Then we can kick off into the main logic, which is to like kind of reuse the bars. Bars make wrappers, and then reusing those wrappers to get more bars. And so this is going to be a while loop for sure. So while the wrappers are greater or equal to the M, which is the turn in amount. First, let's consider how many more bars we have. So this is going to be, we're just going to handle the bars at this point. So let's say additional bars is going to equal the number of wrappers divided by M, because that's the turn in rate. But I want a whole number, so I'm going to do another math.floor. And then we will add that to the total bar count. So right now, bars is going to be like handling the total. So in the end, we will return bars. So we handle the bars. Now we need to handle old wrappers and addition of new wrappers. So that's going to be 2 different things, because the wrappers before is going to actually equal the remainder of this division here. So let's make sure to just kind of copy that. But this time I'm going to use not floor division, but modulo division, so I can get the remainder. We can now add the wrappers from these additional bars that are going to be bought. This wrappers thing will potentially increase the point that you can turn them in again, and this while logic will again kick in. I think this should work. Let's run this code. All right, cool. Let's it looks like it's working. Let's submit some code. Booyah. All right, very sweet. Not too bad on this one. If this is the kind of content you enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll catch you next time.